Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A3 rear brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Make sure you have your new brake pads ready and new rotors if you plan to replace those too. Always park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake before you begin any work for your safety. Once the car is safely supported, loosen the lug nuts and remove the wheel. Next, you'll need to disconnect the brake wear sensor, if your Audi A3 has one, and then remove the two caliper guide bolts. With those out, you can carefully slide the caliper off and remove the old brake pads. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any signs of wear or damage. Now it's time to install the new components. Use a caliper compression tool to gently push the brake piston back into the caliper housing. This creates space for your new, thicker brake pads. Carefully install the new pads, making sure they are seated correctly. Then, reattach the caliper, secure the guide bolts, and reconnect the brake wear sensor. To finish up, reinstall the wheel, lower your Audi A3, and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Drive carefully for the first 100 miles to properly bed in your new brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.